Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is reading from 22nd till the 31st of December. So let's start. Aquarius, your partner's current feelings for you right now are Six of Swords. So this person is feeling like finally this connection is going towards a calmer phase of life. Finally, this connection is moving towards a peaceful solution. Might be you guys were fighting with each other from a very long time, or there was a fight going on, a conflict going on. There was something that was not working out between you guys. Finally, this person is feeling like, yeah, finally there's peace in this connection. Let me clarify. Although they are carrying although still this person is carrying lots of negativity from the past with this connection, but still they are feeling like, yeah, finally some kind of peace is happening. This is what they are feeling right now. Let me clarify. Six of Swords as their feelings for you. Page of Wands and the Nine of Wands and the Empress could be dealing with the Aries, Leo or Sagittarius here. Very high energy of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so this person is feeling like there will be a conversation between you guys, and this person is not ready to give up on this situation. Okay, after this conversation they will feel like you are the one for them. You are a real Empress, you are a real Emperor. The gender doesn't matter here. They will feel like they are highly attracted towards you again. They will feel like you're growing in your life, you're upgrading in your life, and you are the one with whom they can spend the rest of their life. It is like this. Okay, so this conversation, this communication between you guys, the text, the email, the communication, whatever it is happening, it's going to change everything between you guys, and they will finally feel like, yes, peace is prevailing in this connection after a very long time of struggle and fights and whatnot. Let's see what you feel for them, Aquarius. Your feelings for them. Let me see. Okay. Okay, relax. What you feel for them. Let's see. King of Swords. Okay, Aquarius, what you're doing right now is you are feeling something else and you're showing something else. It's like, and the best thing when the King of Swords come is you have the clarity of what you want from a connection. So you are very clear. You are feeling like you are very clear about your intentions, you are very clear about your thoughts, but you are closed off. Emotionally, you are closed off. Okay, so this is what I'm getting here. So what you feel for them right now is that you are emotionally closed off and they're also emotionally closed off. For most of you, I'm getting like this is what you feel for them, right? So I feel like you're feeling like this person is emotionally closed off and they are saying something else and they are doing something else and they're acting little weird with you. This is what you're feeling for this person. And for most of you, Aquarius, because when I read this card, I suddenly get that this is your energy. So it could be you who is like more on this side of I'm not going to show my emotions to them because they don't anyway care about them. Okay, but take it how it resonates with you. You know better, right? Let me clarify. King of Swords. It's like both of you are mirroring each other right now. I'm intuitively getting before even finishing the reading. Let me clarify the King of Swords. Three of Wands, the Three of Swords, my god, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, basically you are feeling like this person left you, or this person is turning their back towards you because of somebody else, and they left you hanging on the wall, they left you in the cold, and definitely this person is acting weird with you. This is what you are feeling because of somebody else. This is what you're feeling. You're feeling like this person backstabbed you, betrayed you, or left you without any reason. Okay, this is what you're feeling. Or it could be the past energy, that you felt this type of energy in the past, might be recent past. Okay, but you're completely heartbroken and you feel like this person is hiding something from you or hiding someone from you. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Aquarius. Let's see. Strength card. This is the Leo energy. So they want you to take some action. They want you to speak up. They want you to tell them the truth. You know, this person wants you to speak up and speak to them or talk to them or have a communication with them. See, I told you that this person feels like finally peace is prevailing. Finally, something is happening, but there's a conversation required for that feeling. And they want you to open up to them, talk to them honestly and openly, whatever you're feeling, whatever you are thinking, whatever your plans are regarding this connection. Let me clarify the strength card as what they want from you. Basically, they want you to open up and talk to them. Communication. This is what this person wants from you. Let me clarify. The World, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. Okay, yes. So this person is feeling like this connection with you is over, or recently you guys broke up in the past. Now this person wants you to heal and to be stable and to be practical and mature, and they want you to unstuck yourself and talk to them. Have a conversation with them because you're stuck somewhere. They can feel it like you're stuck somewhere and you're deliberately not talking to them, or you're deliberately blocking them. It is kind of blocking yourself. The World card to me is blocking yourself card also, and this is healing energy, and this is the kind of stuck energy, the Hanged Man. They want you to talk to them and they want you to see their perspective as well, understand their point of view as well. This is what they want from you, Aquarius. Let's see what you want from this person. Aquarius. Ten of Swords. You want an end. I don't know what kind of end it is. You want to end the relationship, or you want to end the hardships that you guys are facing from a very, very long time in this connection. I don't know what kind of ending it is, but you want something to end in this connection. Might be you want this connection to be over right now. Okay? Might be this is ending of something else. I have to clarify the Ten of Swords. It might also be possible that you want to end a cycle and restart the connection again. Let me clarify. Aquarius, it's kind of very, very heavy energy that I'm getting. All the air signs right now are suffering from some kind of mental issues or emotional heartbreak, emotional issues. And the moon is moving in Gemini, and Venus is retrograde. So it's like hard, very, very hard for every sign right now to be emotionally stable. Let me clarify. Ten of Swords is what you want from this person. The Ace of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Yeah, basically you want to end a particular cycle and a past cycle with this connection, and you want this person to offer you stability or marriage or long-term committed relationship, and you want them to wait for the right time. But this is what you want from them. You want this person to end this cycle, end this painful cycle, or end the cycle with somebody else if they are dealing with a third party, or if there is an issue because of the third party. So basically you want them to offer you solid committed relationship, and you want them to take a decision and wait for the right time. This is what you want from them. You don't want any kind of mind games. You don't want any kind of bullshit from them, or any kind of just casual kind of relationship with them. All you want is solid committed relationship. Let me see what to expect from this person till the end of December. Let me see what to expect from this person till the end of December. Three of Pentacles. I have to clarify this Three of Pentacles. It have lots of meanings, but I feel like this person is coming back towards you to make things right with you. I feel like this person wants to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection, and they want to make things right with you basically. Okay, let me clarify. Three of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys. Let's see. The Devil, the Star, the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. I feel like they will eventually choose to heal. This person is coming towards you, but with some kind of toxic energy, some kind of negative energy, and they want to heal this connection with you. I can say they want to heal this toxicity, this negativity. You could be dealing with a Capricorn here, and they want to be stable in this connection with you. Okay, but they want to work on this connection. They want to talk about this toxicity, this negativity, or the third party, if you guys have a third party situation here, and they want to heal the connection with you, and they want to be stable with you. And I feel like this person is coming towards you and making amends with you. Okay, I don't see loving energy or love kind of energy or lovey-dovey talks or conversation. It's kind of very mature conversation, very practical conversation, and they want to have a heart to heart conversation so that you guys can make this make this connection work out, or you guys can take a solid decision of what you want in this connection in the future. Okay, so this is what I'm getting here. Cool. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys. What is the guidance for you guys? Three of Wands. So the universe wants me to tell you that you have done everything that you could. Now just wait for the right time, wait for the right person, wait for the right thing. Okay, don't do anything from your side. Don't jump into any kind of new relationship just for the rebound thing, or don't just give this person another chance just like that. Just weigh down all the pros and cons, okay, of this relationship, of this connection, and then only make a decision. This is you can say your challenge as well and your guidance as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.